In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export a single frame and take screenshots in CapCut. This is really useful if you want to grab a high-quality still image from your video, maybe for a thumbnail, a social media post, or to share a quick preview without exporting the entire project. I'll walk you through it step by step, and you can follow along on your own screen. First, open CapCut and load the project or video clip you want to work with. Give it a moment to fully load so the timeline and preview window are responsive. Once everything is ready, play through your video and pause on the exact moment you want to capture. You can drag the playhead along the timeline or use the play and pause controls until you land on the perfect frame. Take your time here, because the quality of your screenshot really depends on choosing the right moment. When you're happy with the frame you're seeing in the preview, make sure the video is completely paused so it doesn't skip to the next frame while you're capturing it. Double-check that the preview is displayed at full resolution. If your device or CapCut is lagging, wait a second for the image to become sharp before moving on. Now look for the export or share options in CapCut. Depending on the version you're using, there may be a dedicated snapshot, export frame, or save frame as image button near the preview window or in the export menu. Select that option to capture the current frame as a still image. If you don't see a specific frame export button, you can use your device's built-in screenshot tool while the video is paused on that frame. On a computer, that might be a keyboard shortcut. And on a phone or tablet, it's usually a combination of hardware buttons. After capturing the frame, CapCut will either save it directly to your device's photo gallery or prompt you to choose a folder and file name. If you used a device screenshot, that image will also appear in your usual screenshots or photos folder. It's a good idea to quickly open the saved image and zoom in to make sure the quality is clear and that nothing important is cut off. From there, you can edit the screenshot further, add text or graphics in another app, or upload it directly to your platform of choice. And that's all you need to export a single frame and take screenshots in CapCut.